Well, enough about that. That's not why I'm making this video. If you can guess what song that was, I will send you $1 million. Of course I won't. We will be talking about this. So I recently watched all of the seasons of Game of Thrones for the second time in a row, and my fandom is getting out of hand. So I can't watch it a third time, and the 8th season is coming up. Coming up soon, so I'll just have to wait until then. So what I did was Google about the books and stuff, so I will be taking a leap into reading some books about Game of Thrones, and I'm also bought like this map, the lands of something, which shows all of the maps of the locations in Game of Thrones. The land of ice and fire. I also bought this about Aegon, which is egg, and that is like 100 years before the HBO series is taking place. Maybe I'll do a book review about this, or maybe I won't. Which house is that? Like am I completely? I think this is House Aaron. If it would be a bird on the side instead of this one flying. Let's check out. Ooh. Oh, I love maps. I don't know what it is. I've always loved maps. Anyways, okay, so we got a good setup of maps here. It says something about Jonathan Robert is the one who has made these maps. Like he has a PhD in some shit. There was a smart person who draw these maps, and that feels good to know. So I will be putting this to the side. We can check it out one more time here. So we have the maps here. Hopefully you can see them here. There's a bunch of maps separated, so it's not like one map, it's several pieces, because the world is so huge, and these are supposed to be very detailed. It contains like a box, and it looks like sort of like an atlas from the outside. What to call it. Alright, let's check them out. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm just gonna open it in that order. The known world. Whoa, shit. Alright, here's the whole known world. This is so much better than to look at it from a screen. Here is what got me to this to start with, Ashai, because I couldn't find the Red Priestess who serves Stannis Baratheon. And later Jon Snow. She says that she's from Ashai, which is here. Of course there's Westeros, and this is just the first map. I can't continue this. This would take too much time. Okay, so this one is the Free Cities. So here's a close-up. Wow, this is really so beautiful, this map. It looks so nice. I will definitely be hanging up one of these on my walls. Also a map that is placed diagonal out the west, of course. There's not so much down here. Jamie and Brian. They are cute. Slaver's Bay. Oh man, this was a really zoomed in place. Okay, so Quarth is here. About Valyria. Valyrian steel. Yeah, hell yeah. This is the place not to be. Maybe it smells something. Usually smells like paper. Nothing. You know, like the best smell in the world is the smell when you open up a gaming box, like with a game in it. The plastic there, and I especially think, more specific, the best smell is Nintendo DS cartridge game box. That is the best smell. Okay, so some of the maps are showing more detailed cities and some are just showing these like ruined towns and cities. So here we have a ruined city, here we have a city, and here's some more ruined cities. I can't find any ruined castles. I can't find any castles either. Maybe there aren't any castles here. They don't do that in Essos. They don't believe in castles. Castles are for losers. Okay, so I would like to say that Essos is the east, but this is the east. So this is the east map, so this is east of Quarth. And from here we haven't heard like anything. The Shivering Sea, Thousand Islands, everything from here is pretty shady. From what I know, I will read the books more and get more knowledge about these places. Ashabad, I think I've heard about that. And here's Ashai, which is like the only city around here. It's like no city in this entire area here. This must be like, I can just imagine, it looks like a scary place. The Dothraki Sea. Okay, so this one is showing Vast Dothrak. This is the place where Daenerys gets her Dothrakian army. Here's where all of the shit is going down. The Dothraki Sea, it was just like open plains. Oh man, Westeros, can it be the Westeros map? Yep. The Westeros map, it is. Storm's End, King's Landing, Harrenhal, Highgarden, Old Town, Sunspear, Bear Island, where the Mormons hang out. Cool. Cheers. The lands of always winter, and it's really snowing. Then, where the fucking Thens hang out. Haunted forest, haunted forest. First of the first men. Here. Okay. Is that where first of the first men were hanging out? Probably. Milkwater, the Skirling Pass, the Frostfangs. Craster's Keep. Hardhome. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now it's getting really interesting. So King's Landing, here's the map of the city. So close up of the city. Great Sept of Baylor. And if you're gonna guess which song I played on the piano in the beginning of this video, it is from season 6, the ending episode where Cersei blows up this place into pieces, and that song is called Light of the Seven. So many small houses drawn by hand here. It's so detailed, it's really detailed. Here's the dragon pit where they meet in the final episode in season 7. Bravos. Ooh. Fish market. So okay, so this is the place where Arya is gonna poison that dude which sells or make bets on ships not getting home. That was what I was looking for. House of Black and White, and there it is. Cool. Okay, so here's the final map. Whoa, why am I so unreasonably excited about this? I don't know, but I am. The journeys, man. There's been a lot of journeys in Game of Thrones. Okay, so here we can see how they have traveled. Vast Dothraki. Can we have any descriptions? It would be nice. Tyrion, okay. So we obviously have Daenerys here. Dragonstone, everybody is going from to Dragonstone. You can see the arrows in which place they move. Travel route was Tyrion's travel route should be here. Castle Black. Yeah. So this was the final map in this. Yeah, let's just have it here. These were all of the maps from this. Yeah, this was the video. I won't say so much more. I said everything I can say. This has been really fun opening these maps. I will study them more for sure. It's been I'm really looking forward to it, especially this one and the King's Landing map. It's like the zoomed in, the zoom in on King's Landing and on Bravos here with the Iron Bank and everything. This has for sure been worth the money. It's cost of like $40 something. And what? Yeah, that was it. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.